Hello, everyone. I'm Tom from the Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that drives car owners crazy? Lack of updates during the repair process. At Arts, we know you want to stay informed, and we provide regular updates to keep you at ease throughout your repair. Let me share a story about Tara, a small business owner who came to us recently. Her 2017 Nissan Altima had a damaged front bumper from a fender bender. Tara was frustrated by shops that never communicated, leaving her anxious. We set her up with a repair plan and sent updates. Emails when parts were ordered, a call mid-repair, and a text when her Altima was done. Our team restored her car to perfection, and Tara said, "Arts updates were fantastic. I always knew what was going on." We make communication a priority. We send updates via text, email, or phone, tailored to you, so you're never in the dark. From minor fixes to collision repairs, our Pomona shop keeps you connected to your car's progress. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we deliver quality repairs with clear updates. Ready for a shop that keeps you informed? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't wait in the dark for repairs. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Updates and quality you can trust.